Hi everyone, we are LaChiMoLaLa,
LaChiMoLaLa.
and we are back with episode 6 of Monsta X in Jeju Island.
Woohoo!
Woo! This one's called A Sentimental Day in Jeju. How can it get more sentimental?
Oh my gosh, I know, right?
One of the teams is called Sentimental. Is it just all them?
Yeah, yeah. I'm totally cool with that though.
Right? They're so
But
cute.
but even though it's called sentimental, like I feel like they're gonna make it fun,
Of course.
Yes,
Because that's the sentimental thing about them. They're fun.
yeah, they're super fun. They always make us smile and they always make us
Always.
laugh.
Uh,
And the best part, they're just being themselves.
right? And I love every time Wonho is like, you wouldn't think for such a marshmallow, he really likes to roast the other guys. Like,
Really does.
he's all over them. Oh, you want that? It's 5,000 won. Oh, you can eat this. Oh, what about that? Oh, that looks terrible on you. Like,
It's like,
what
guys,
is happening?
he's like, guys, I have a plan. Let's do this to the other team.
So
and
devious.
yes, he's so sneaky.
So sneaky.
He's so sneaky, but that's part of his charm with the guys,
I know. I think it's probably a good thing he and Minhyuk are on the same team. Because that's two evil minds.
I know, right?
And yet, like I said, ironically, both of them so super sweet. So again, sentimental, but not when it comes to their members.
Yeah, I mean, that's the way that they show it though, roasting them.
I know. I love you, so I'm gonna make fun of you and be savage. Get ready. They can't do that with everyone. So
no, that's real love right there.
That's real love. That's real love.
Once you start roasting someone like crazy.
Oh my gosh. And don't you really feel like Hyungwon and Minhyuk, like it feels like two dads take their baby Juhan out on a vacation.
Yes.
Because the two of them are totally in sync. Let's do this. Let's do it. Juhan's just like, guys. And then they'll both focus on him. They're like, yes. Oh, good little baby.
But even down to the posing, he acts like a cute little cutie,
Right? They're doing full editorial model shoots.
Yeah, like, do it like this. And he's like, no, I'm just going to leave it.
I'm just going to do this. Take my picture!
Yeah. And
then you're like, okay. And remember when he couldn't make the Polaroid thing work? And he was like, yeah. And they just were like ignoring him. And then finally Minhyuk's like, you still haven't done it. You're so cute.
Right?
That's why I feel like it's two dads taking their son out. It's so funny and adorable.
And the way that Hyungwon just like records like this. Yes. He knows exactly what to do. He's like, I'm proud of my boy.
Right. Whereas I feel like you'd think that would be happening to Changkyun, but it's not. He's like 1000% in on the scheming, in on, it's like they're all hanging out like a bunch of bros.
Yep.
It's a bunch of bros and Wonho's thighs, which were distracting. Remember, Kihyun couldn't even take a picture of the pastry. He's like, your thighs are in the way. Wonho's like, really? Not moving. You will take a picture of these thighs and that tart. Honestly, how many likes would you get for uploading Wonho's thighs? Please. It's just two very different approaches to vacation.
Very
now that we basically recapped all 5 episodes, can we watch this one? Sorry guys, we love it so much. We have a million favorite memories and we're only on episode 6.
I know, we didn't even touch the karaoke and stuff like that too, so I know. Okay.
Pause. Let's just move on.
Yeah, let's just they've seen it all already up until this point, so all right. Well, before you press the magical button, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you guys, so that we could do more Monsta X in the future.
Yes. We know you love to hear us just talking about things we've already watched. It's fabulous. No, but seriously, I know you want to see more Monsta X. Who doesn't?
I know. Who does not?
All right. Let's do this. A sentimental day in Jeju.
Oh.
Even the title's cute.
I know. It's like, stop.
Why are they so cute?
Why are they so adorable? Day two.
Oh my gosh, it's only been one day.
여기가 생각보다 엄청 크다 그래요.
여기가 이효리 선배님도.
아
진짜?
네. 아 진짜로?
이효리 선배님이 오셨어요.
진짜요?
네.
Of course. I bet he follows him on Insta. He knows everyone.
Yeah. I love her. She's great.
Yes.
안녕하세요.
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 오, 저희 스타일이에요.
개인적으로 살짝 둘러보는 시간 가질까요 그러면?
Of course, the fashionistas, all in the vintage store.
Yes.
모자 귀여워. 이런 모자 너무 좋아요.
What? Who is on his shirt?
모자를 굉장히 좋아하기 때문에.
Wait.
Oh, crop
Crop
top.
top.
Immediately.
Yes. Yes.
Get it.
100%, Minya. 100%.
느낌이 너무 충만해. 느낌 너무 충만해. 이거 제가 한번 그랬던 적이 있어요. 제가 한번 음악 방송에
Jeju shirt. I know. Is that George Strait? Who is that? Looks like a country artist. Aww. He already has one.
민혁아, 우리 그럼 그렇게 하자.
어떻게?
셋이 한 피자를 찾기 힘드니까 애가 나 입혀주고 내가 너 입혀주고 너가 애 입혀주고 그걸로 우리 셋이 같이 오늘 다닐 거 하는 거 그거 합시다.
기대하세요.
개인 옷 할 때 그거 합시다.
본인 저요?
네.
오.
왜요?
벌칙으로 하는 거예요? 아니면 좀 멋있게?
Savage.
제대로 해줘야죠.
아 오케이. 싫어요? 싫어요? 좀 좋아요.
오케이.
Falls for it.
Yes!
Oh my god.
So excited.
Different one. That's
Amazing.
top.
제대로 해주세요.
아 진짜 제대로 해.
Green Bay Packers, please.
하고 있던데요?
Please
너
don't
지금-
be like this.
이거 지금 얼마
No
썼는데?
offense.
Wait, that crop top was for him.
나는 끝났어, 너 거.
끝났어요?
일단 이거 입고 나오자, 민혁아.
이거 벌칙의상 아니냐고. 벌칙의상은 지금 나야 지금. 내가 생각한 게 아니다.
아니겠지, 당연히.
그 둘이서 얘기하지 말고 지금 나도 심각해.
Oh my Shuhan.
Fisherman! I fished all the mom babies hard.
So many sandals. Real men wear crop tops.
Oh, yes, they do.
How does he pull it off? Love it. It's 1000% Hyungwon, but I love it.
Yes.
He's doing it. He's got it.
너 그러고 다닌다고 오늘? 좋아, 섹시해. 일단은 제가 입은 것만 이렇게 계산이 가능할까요?
어제 4주년이라고 하셔가지고
네.
기념으로 저희가 50% 제가 해드리려고
감사합니다.
그래서
감사합니다.
That's so cool.
21만 9,500원. 22만.
My gosh, our muscle king and his muscle tea.
여기 10만 원. 이걸로 해도 돼? 두 개야 근데.
이게 10만 원?
요걸로 할게.
He's gonna make it pay the full price, isn't he?
어때요? 예? 이거요.
귀엽네.
얼마예요? 이 모자도 귀엽지?
그것도 주원이한테 사달라고 해 지금.
주원아. 주원아, 아직 카드
That's
안
what
걸렸어.
happens when you lose a
Please hurry up.
귀엽네.
이주헌.
Oh.
감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요.
고맙습니다.
안녕히 계세요.
네.
아 기분 좋아졌어.
Oh my gosh, that jean jacket has like elastic waist. So much. It reminds me of a members only jacket.
Right?
Ooh.
이게
비빔 4개 시켜야 되는 거 아니야?
몽국은 근데 이거 하나씩 먹는 거 아니야? 고기국수도 맛있어.
야 고기 있다.
흑돼지 볶음 이런 거.
흑돼지 볶음 먹죠.
저희 주문할게요. 몽국
Always
4개랑요.
want meat.
비빔밀면 2개.
비빔밀면 2개, 고기국수 하나,
꿀소라죽 하나. 꿀소라죽 하나.
꿀소라죽 하나, 흑돼지 볶음
하나.
하나.
민영 어디야? 오늘 우리 한번 다 같이 모이는 게 어때?
좋아.
수월봉에서 수월봉에서 시간 맞춰서 거기서 너네 바로 와도 돼. 거기서 바로 와.
Oh, so cute.
아 맛있겠다.
사장님 돈베고기가 뭐예요?
돈베 수육.
돈베고기도 하나 주세요.
우리 우정을 위해서. 포에버.
Oh my gosh.
눈물 흘리지 말기. 왜 안 먹어요? 밥이랑 먹어요? 매워? 매운 거못 먹는데. 안 매우니까 저거 막 냄새가 매워.
Oh.
Wonho, it's not spicy.
Why does he look so adorable? Can you?
뒤에 쫙 올라오는데
맛있게 맵다.
맛있게 맵다.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
네.
I know Chinkyun can't eat spicy foods.
쫙 올라와 갑자기 뒤에서.
Probably spending elementary school in the US.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Wow.
나 안경에 설이 껴서 벗어야겠다.
He's so me.
Right? Taking a picture.
와.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Oh my gosh. Amazing.
맛있어.
I'm so hungry.
맛있다.
Angry eater. That's all I see now. No. So cute.
Look at Kia.
Kiki. Ah.
Right? He's like, come on, guys. Too hot. It looked like it was boiling when it got there.
Mm-hmm.
네.
There's more? Oh my gosh.
They need 2 tables.
와우. 와. 제가
How
먼저
can
이거
they fit all that in the table?
얼마나 맛있는지 평가.
How can they fit all that in their bodies? I mean, I know Wonho can. Like a bottomless pit. It's so amazing.
혼자 다 먹어요.
나안 해. 진짜 비벼서 못 먹어.
비리면은 기현이 안 되겠는데?
아 이거 우리 거
Oh,
진짜 안 돼.
it's getting serious.
이거 다 넣어?
Yeah, Kihan doesn't like seafood.
와. 이야.
Ah!
맛있어. 다 맛있어.
Don't watch on an empty stomach. We're screwed.
Too late.
와 씨. 그렇게 먹는다고?
Oh.
Creative type. Oh my.
Oh. That's a big bite. I love
That's a
it.
huge bite. He's like, none of this is going to waste. He just got real quiet. His face.
Oh man.
미역국 이거 하다.
되게
난 순댓국 같아.
순댓국인데 맑아.
순댓국. 그냥 고기 없는 순댓국.
나왔다.
Oh my gosh, there's more.
시간이 먹으면 끝이네.
국물 달라.
So cute.
그냥 약간 사골국 같아.
아 진짜?
떡만둣국에 있는.
아 그 국물.
Ugh, I love bone broth. Mm.
Mm.
맛있어?
Look at him. He's like, I'll just have one bite.
Yeah.
She's staring straight at the camera like, you see this?
먹고
One bites a whole bowl.
비워야지.
Oh my god.
뭐야?
우와.
공장이 아니라 되게 신기해.
와.
Ooh, cool.
This is awesome.
여기 우리 저 숙소에서 먹었던 위트에일 있고요. 오프너 세트도 있고요.
I'm sorry, Minhyuk's fisherman vest. I
우와,
can't.
이것도 있고.
Like he's gonna walk around like that all.
Yes. As he
저희
should.
우리 외할머니 한 선물해 드리겠습니다.
좋아요.
He could sport anything.
안녕하세요.
드실 수 있나요? 운전 오늘 가능하세요?
수아 너 먹어봐.
저 한 모금 먹어보고 싶은데.
기본적으로 위트에일, 필롱에일 두 가지가 있고요.
네.
저희 왼쪽 밑에 보시면 커밍순이라고 해서 개발 맥주가 있는데
네.
오늘 시험까지 가능하세요.
저는 개발하고 있는 맥주.
오, 도전이야 그럼 이거는?
네. 개발하고 있는 맥주 한번 먹어보고 싶습니다.
여기 달라? 그러면? 그냥 맥주랑 맛이?
그때 분위기랑 그때 같이 먹는 음식에 따라서 이제 맛이 달라질 수 있어요.
직접
How
내리는
fun.
좀 보겠습니다.
자리는 저쪽으로 올게요.
아 네.
야.
다리도 있어.
자리.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, it looks like a stout or something.
요게 아까 그 말씀하신
개발 중에 있는 맥주고요.
이 땅. 요거는 서울에 안 옵니까?
아직 개발 단계에 있어서 아직
아.
결정이 안 났어요.
싸갈 수도 없는 거죠.
아 그렇죠.
와.
Exclusive.
그냥 마셔.
Mm-hmm.
그러니까 무겁다는 느낌은 안 들어요. 일치고는 도수가 높아서 좀 약간 강하게 좀 오는 느낌은 있는데 뭐랄까 그런 쌉싸름한 느낌도 없고.
맥주를 좀 아시니까 이것도 한번 맛을 봐보세요.
오.
있는 게 어제 드셨다는 위트에일.
요건 좀 라거.
그거는 어저께 드셨다고는 위트에일 밀
밑에.
맥주.
요거 뭐예요?
감귤칩이랑 같이 드시면 돼요. 저희 양주장에 오시면
네.
이렇게 감귤칩에
그럼 맥주만 먹어. 나 감귤칩 먹어.
Fancy.
풀어뜨려서 반쪽은 담가 드셔도 돼요.
요거 일단은
그래,
아니,
아무거나.
요건 지금 담궈놓고.
담궈. 요거 먼저.
요게 이제 IPA.
저는
Ooh.
향이 강한
페이레일은 좀 약간 안 먹다 한 사람들은
좀 어려워하시죠?
좀 어려워요. 향이 좀.
라거만 드시던 분들은
예.
어려워하시죠.
요거 한번 냄새 맡아보세요.
난 이게 냄새가 더 좋아.
요게 향이 좀 강해 IPA가.
내가 느꼈을 때 술 못 마시는 사람 입장에서는
또 마셔보면 또 달라.
그래?
이게 IPA가 마시면은 좀 강하게 올 거야.
한입 해봐요. 살짝.
I'm
무슨
Minhyuk.
느낌인지 알겠죠?
그래도 난 이게 훨씬 이거 좀 쌉싸름한 맛이.
쌉싸름해요. 저거 한번 먹어봐요.
It's very hoppy.
한번 드세요?
어제 먹은 그 맛인데 이걸 넣어서 살짝 단 느낌이 좀 있어요. 이거 좀 먹고 싶은데.
Yeah. He's feeding his little baby bird.
Yes. So
이거
cute.
먹으면 달라?
기가 막혀.
야, 오늘 안주 요거 조금 멤버 사가자.
아까 보니까 저 앞에 감귤칩.
감귤칩이랑 이 맥주랑 해가지고.
너무 좋아.
They're not gonna charge.
어떻게 이거 좀 남은 거 좀 어떻게 담아갈 수 없죠?
양주장에서 맥주 가지고 나가는 게 법이에요.
Oh.
아 진짜요.
그래요? 사가는 것도 안 돼요?
그거는 전적으로 한 사람당 값을 최대.
그러니까요. 와 이건 맛있다.
He's so sad. He's like, I want more.
쇼핑 하나 가보자.
쇼핑을 한번 해볼까?
네. 그 먼저 쇼핑하고 계시면은 조금만 먹고.
Have it.
나 옷방에다가 요거 하나 갖다 놓을래. 그런 것 같아.
이거 같은데?
나 요거.
Oh, I love how they're just buying souvenirs for all their family.
제가 꿈이 있었어요. 그러니까 세계 여행하면서 전 세계에 있는 맥주를 마셔보는 게
I'd watch that show.
오늘 여기 제주도 와서 먹어본 이 맥주 좀 말씀을 드려볼까 하는데 마치 지금 약간 그 유튜버가 된 것 같은 그런 느낌이 없지 않아 들기도 하고 오늘은 이렇게 제주도 와서 지금 이게 위트에일인데 감귤칩과 이렇게 아까 제가 먹은 것처럼 넣어서 먹으면 좀 단 느낌이 나고 그냥 보통 시중에 파는 그런 좀 에일 맛이 가장 기본적인 기본적인 느낌이 좀 강한 그런 느낌이고 여기 이제 IPA인데 개인적으로 전 IPA를 딱히 즐겨 먹진 않아요. 이 IPA는 어디서 많이 보실 수 있냐면 미국 가면 그 보통 이제 바나 이런 곳에 가면 무조건 IPA 많아요. 그리고 여기 이제 바다 쪽 지방에 많이 가면 이 IPA를 많이 팝니다. 요게 이제 포인트인데 제주 맥주 공장에서만 지금 보실 수 있는 이 땅이라는 맥주고 아직 출시를 안 했어요. 근데 저는 출시를 안 한 이 맥주를 지금 벌써부터 마시고 있다는 거. 너무 따끈따끈한 걸 이렇게 마실 때 항상 좀 뭔가 기분이 너무 좋아요.
My gosh, so cute.
So happy. Okay.
Right, I can't take that it was over. Can we see the behind the scenes?
Yes.
More. My gosh, I'll take an extra 5 minutes.
야, 여기 그 유명한 해물라면이라니. 해물라면이라니.
와
아, 형
진짜
친구야?
많이 왔다 가셨구나 여기.
와. 야, 저기 거의 벽이 그냥 맛집인가 보네.
제주 맛집.
그럼. 뭐 먹을까요?
Is this a different place?
I think so, yeah.
Because the other place had like a whiteboard menu.
기본이죠. 해물라면. 저희 주문할게요. 오징어 볶음 하나랑요, 제육 볶음 하나랑, 김치찌개 하나랑, 해물라면 하나. 난 그냥 여기 있는 거 먹으려고 시킨 거. 아, 너는 따로 안 시켜? 저는 해물라면 대짜 하나.
혼자?
응.
와우. 좋았어. 가끔 이런 데 오면은 조금 설레버릴 수도 있는데 가끔 몬스타엑스 할 때 써 있는 거 있잖아.
뭐?
이런 거.
제주도에서는 없지 않을까?
한번 찾아볼까?
나왔네.
아, 나와?
나와서 6화까지 했어 지금.
아, 진짜?
야, 정말 딱 하나만 있으면 기분 좋을 것 같아.
Oh.
뭐하러 그걸 찾아?
He's like,
아, 한번 생각하니까 계속 생각나가지고.
내가 이따가 몰래 숨을 테니까 찾아.
오케이.
와.
우와.
wow.
아, 진짜 오늘 여기서 이렇게 다 먹고 이따가 비행기 타고 자고 딱 일어나면은 진짜 얼굴
나는 뭐 똑같을 것 같다 뭐 이런 얘기 할 줄 알았는데. 와.
Oh my gosh, those bowls are enormous.
해물찜 아니야?
잠깐만 사진 찍어야 돼.
Oh, Shody taking a picture.
Yes.
나도 땀 나. 내가 땀이 날 정도면.
I love how quiet they are.
Yeah.
한 공기만 더 먹을까? 배고파? 이게 뭔가 한 공기로는 좀 아쉬운.
한 공기 시켜서 여기 딱 넣어 비벼 먹어.
아우, 야, 그러기 싫어.
사우나 오셨어요?
두 잔씩.
They're sweating so much.
그러니까 진짜 맛있다. 와, 나는 이거 리얼리티 보면은 계속 먹는 거밖에 안 나올 것 같아.
그러니까.
원래 이
Oh my
정도까지.
god.
아, 고기국수도 먹고.
Always looks surprised that he's putting it in his mouth too.
분명히 배가 안 고팠는데. 맛있습니다.
This is him not hungry?
와, 이거 뭐야? 밥 비벼 먹는 건가 봐.
이거 해물 껍데기.
아, 껍데기?
해껍.
이거 진짜 딱새우, 딱딱해서 딱새우인가?
딱정벌레 같아서 하니까.
얘가 그 이렇게 잡아 올리면은 이렇게 몸통이랑 머리 딱딱딱 이래서 딱새우.
아 진짜? 네. 사실 딱새우가
왜 딱새우예요?
딱딱하니까 딱새우죠.
아.
위아래로 꼬리 섞어서
Oh my gosh.
그래 꼬리 비틀고.
살짝 드셔가지고.
꼬리 까고.
Oh, is that crawfish?
I don't know. It almost looks like a giant prawn. I can't tell.
진짜. 김치찌개는 어때? 맛있다는데 너가?
칼칼해.
김치찌개.
이거 드실 분. 방금 완전 쉽게 깠어.
와.
근데 새우가 바퀴벌레 조상이라고?
갑각류. 바퀴벌레 먹으면 새우 맛 난대.
나 들었어. 야,
What?
딱 끓는 거야. 맛있다, 야.
The editors! Oh my gosh. So that means they went to 2 places and ate way too much food.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, that is vacation, though.
I feel like I'm a terrible Kiki baby, you know, because I thought Kihyun doesn't like seafood. Maybe he just doesn't like fish.
Maybe because I don't like fish. I only like shellfish.
Mm-hmm.
Because there is a very different flavor.
Yeah, because I was like, wait, he's eating seafood.
He's eating octopus.
Yeah. I know.
He's eating,
like,
but you're right. None of those are like straight up fish.
yeah, so maybe it's fish that I thought of. Maybe I'm just making this all up in my head. Please.
Maybe he just needs enough sauce to coat it.
There you go. Mom, baby, please tell me. I'm sorry. I'm the worst.
Oh my gosh.
Please
And
stand.
I love how both Wonho and Shonu like eat till they sweat. Like my brother-in-law's like that, just super spicy. Give it all. Like it's so funny. My gosh.
Oh my gosh. Just man, they are hilarious though. Like Shonu, I love watching Shonu eat. It's crazy. We always talk about this. We're like, yeah, we don't want to see our family eat or whatever, you know, blah, you know, but it's so much fun watching Shonu eat because it's like, are all of them eating? Because it's like they have so much, I don't know, love.
There's like a lot of emotion.
Yeah.
It's like a roller coaster.
Yeah. It's like, wow.
Like
you know?
anticipation, disbelief, deliciousness,
Mhm.
wishing there was more, regret.
I know.
It's like, oh, bell curve of emotion.
Yeah, it's like a little soap opera that's going on right there, you know?
And even when Chin-kyun's like, should we get one more bowl of rice? And Kiki's like, you're still hungry? It's like a soap opera. He was like, yeah. And she was like, yeah, get it, mix it in. He's like, I'm not doing that. No, I just want rice. Like, I also loved how he told Kiki, he's like, I'll write something. You can find it later.
Oh
Sit
my
down.
gosh, yeah. Okay, so mental note. Always write something about Monsta X.
Anywhere you can.
Yes. There's plenty of those places in LA. I know
Oh
that they
my
still go to travel
gosh.
LA.
All right, we're doing it.
We're doing it. Sign our names.
Oh gosh, can we talk about Team Sentimental's fashion show?
So cute. Hyungwon, genius for doing that idea. And kudos to Juon for following through with the penalty, you know?
It wasn't a penalty. I honestly thought he had the best outfit.
No, well, I mean, yeah, but I mean, like,
But
paying
it's
for
the least
everything.
Juon.
Yeah.
Oh, for paying for everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
true. He did do that. And I don't think he got 50% off, right? I'm pretty sure Minhyuk ensured he didn't get the discount.
So mean.
So shady.
Oh,
And
man.
Hyungwon being like, you haven't paid yet, right? You haven't paid yet? What about this hat? What about these shoes? What about this? You haven't paid, right? So, like, just relentlessly teasing him.
And Juon was like, hurry up, single payment. Come on, come on, come on.
Hurry.
Make it fast.
And then he did a second one anyway. So
Oh,
cute.
gosh.
But I really loved how Hyungwon picked out an outfit that he thought he would look good in and then put you on it. Again,
Right?
daddy son day. And I feel like Juhan was just like, I want to make Minhyuk look silly.
I know.
And then it's like
then,
crop top.
yeah, Minya kept choosing crop tops.
He was like, I want to see Hyungwon in this crop top. And was it like a Green Bay Packers
Yeah,
football crop top?
Yeah, I was like, Green Bay Packers. And then I realized, I'm like, oh, yeah, like, was he just choosing like team ones? Like, there was another green one, and then the Green Bay Packer one. And so I was like,
Wisconsin is as far away from Jeju Island as you could possibly get.
Yes. So I was like, yeah. So my apologies, Packers fans out there. Like, I was just really stunned that there was a Green Bay Packers crop top out of all
anything.
Not even a sweatshirt. It was a crop top.
You don't need a crop top if you're watching the Green Bay Packers. You need 3 coats.
3 coats and one of those and a cheese hat. Yeah.
Yeah, I do think it's funny sometimes, like when you travel around, if you go to other places and you're like, wow, I'm in this store in Paris, but like everything says LA, you know, or whatever. Like, so yeah, that really threw me for a loop. I knew it was a vintage store, but still, I was like, what? And then I love, he also gave him like shorts, like above the knee shorts, like Bermuda shorts.
Yes.
So he had like Bermuda shorts, a muscle tee, a cropped sweatshirt, and mandals.
Oh my gosh. And they seem so excited to go to the store because like they're like, yeah, Lee Hyori, I can't pronounce her name. Hyori, like she's been here before.
Great. You were gonna love it. I also thought it was funny. Minhyuk was the only one. All his clothes, he was like drowning in them. They were all like 3 sizes too big. But like Hyungwon's were honestly just right, but I'm sure he thought they were too small. And June's were just right. But Minhyuk, he looked like he got out of a charity shop. It was so funny.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. They looked like they had a blast though. I love the little catwalk that they were doing.
Oh my gosh.
In
so
sandals
good.
And everything. Please.
I feel like they had to get dressed together because Juhan did not tie that ridiculous scarf flower bow. Please. He doesn't know how to do that. He doesn't know how to do that. That's pure Hyungwon all the way.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I also loved when Wonho video called them, and he basically just yelled at them. He's like, meet up with us today. Be here. Don't be late. He's like, okay.
Okay.
Right? He wasn't even, and I kind of feel like it's unfair. Like, I mean, I'm sure the Sentimental team is going to eat somewhere, but these guys are just eating all day.
Yeah.
What if when they all meet up, the guys are like, we're hungry, let's go eat. And they're like, no. Well, they'll probably say yes, let's be real.
Yeah, they will. Wonho will be like, well, I could go another, a bowl or 2 of ramen,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A giant popcorn gallon size.
Yeah.
I also love that Juhan's like, let's buy some of this beer. This is good. Let's get some of the chips. Go get those. We're gonna shop for souvenirs. Cool. I'll meet you there.
Mm-hmm.
So adorable. I really thought it was so cute how he was just having his own little like beer tasting.
Yeah, that was so cute, and him explaining everything about that too. He's like, and this beer, if you dip it in, then it will taste like this, or
makes it using his like what was that? It was like a hard breadstick thing.
Yeah, like a stirrer
to scoop it in.
So cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there you go.
Right.
Minhyuk taking care of Juhan.
And Hyungwon being the responsible one. He's like, I'm driving. It's cool. Go ahead, have some. It's fine. They're just so cute.
They are so adorable. And can I say that I channel Minhyuk? I would be I feel like you would be Juon drinking the beer.
I'd be like, smell this. You're like, oh, it smells good. And I'd be like, taste this. And you're like, oh, it tastes bad.
I'll be like, I'll get drunk in 2 seconds. What are you doing?
I love how he like called us out too. He's like, oh, IPA, strong. This is like an American bar. Yeah, you're right. In American bars, they put the percentages right next to the description, guys. And I know plenty of people who don't even look at, they just see which one has the highest percentage and pick that one.
Oh, man.
I was like, yep, I see you, Juhan. Let's go drinking. Oh, and how about Hyungwon just picking up stuff for his grandma, for his grandma.
So sweet. Oh, so thoughtful.
So cute. I mean, they had extra money because Juhan bought all the outfits.
Oh man, yes.
They're the dads, except when his credit card's out. Guarantee you, if he had all of those pints, he probably paid for whatever the gifts they're getting to.
Yep.
If I was them, I'd just be like, just put it on that guy's tab. You have his card.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, he's paying for everything. Thank you very much.
For everything. And now let's talk about how much you love watching Kiki eat. He was so cute. You were like, oh, like when it was spicy hot, when it was just too hot, when it was good, when you were concerned about the whole fish thing. I mean, I should go back and rewatch this just so I can watch you watching him. No. It was adorable. You were like, oh, be careful. He doesn't do spicy. No, it has fish sauce in it. He doesn't like fish. It's too hot. Wonho, blow on it. It's too hot.
Please blow on it. We must protect Kiki.
At all costs.
At all costs. Please. Yes.
It was just so cute.
I mean, the way that he was eating all the hot stuff, though, I'm like, what are you doing to yourself?
You're like, you're gonna get heartburn. Slow down.
Heartburn. Like, you're gonna lose your taste buds.
Just burn them straight off.
I know. Come on. You're in Jeju Island. You want to enjoy the food and your surroundings.
And Wonho, again, who does he think he's fooling? He's like, that the pepper's not spicy. It's not spicy. It's not spicy. And Shonu's like, oh, it's spicy. Yeah, it's really spicy. He doesn't let him get away with it for a second. And Chinkyun still took a tiny bite and then drank a whole cup of water.
Yeah. Okay, like, now I know for sure Chinkyun, like, he definitely cannot handle spice. And the only reason why I know is because of recently, like, he wrote something in Fan Cafe that he's like, okay, well, I have COVID. So at least I can eat spicy food now, you guys.
I have no taste buds. It's cool.
Yeah, I was like,
but then you're not enjoying it,
right? And so I'm like,
no point.
Hey,
and he was the only one who was like taking the veg out of the boiling broth, putting it on the rice. Everyone else was like, "Whoa, this suit's hot."
I know.
And he was just like, "I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna eat this first." I feel like that's why you wanted another bowl of rice at the other place.
Yeah.
He needs it to like cool things down.
Right? Smart man.
My gosh, so cute.
That's your boy.
I feel like he's just watching all of them like, you crazy.
Yeah, watching them suffer.
But Kiki was the one who's like, are you in a sauna?
I
Jeez.
know. All of them were sweating, you know? Oh, man.
Oh, my gosh. I don't know. Why is watching them eat so fun?
Because I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know. I still think they should have gotten like a 2-top table pushed up against their 4-top because they did not have enough room.
They did not. And honestly, I feel like they just rolled out of bed. Like the hair, like Wonho's hair was like at the first restaurant was like very disheveled. Like he
remember when he was working out? It looks like the exact same outfit when he was working out. Like he worked out, he didn't shower, he just went straight. He picked him up for food. He's like, I'm hungry. I've been working out for 2 hours.
Yeah. Hey, you have to replenish that body after burning so much energy, you know.
Right. That's why anytime Kiki's like, just for you, he's like, yeah.
It's like, duh.
What do you guys want something? I loved when Shonu was so embarrassed because they were all coming up with theories about why they're called hard shrimp, and the guy's like, they have hard shells. And he was like, oh, so obvious.
Yeah, because I was so confused. I'm like, shrimps are easy to peel. What are you talking about?
When they said hard shrimp, I was like, oh, it'll probably have like a slightly thicker shell.
Yeah.
But looking at it, I was like, okay, is it like a lobster shell?
Yeah.
I understood why you were like, is it crawfish?
Yeah.
Like, what's happening?
I was like, me, and then you said prawn. I'm like, it makes sense if it's a prawn.
I mean, it looked like a prawn just because of all the little legs, but I could be wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know. They kept saying hard shrimp though, and the guys obviously knew what shrimp was.
Yeah. Because I was like, that's so easy to peel. Why can't you do that? You know?
It really is, guys.
Yeah. And so I'm like, was it Devane? And then, you know, all these thoughts came in my head as they were talking about shrimp. And I'm like, huh.
Again, Shonu's like a small child. How many times did he pick one up and go, oh, hot. He knows they're hot. But he's like, I'm going to peel it anyway. And then he peels one and he gives it away. And then he picks up another. He did it like 5 times. And that was the edited version. I bet you he did it for all 28 shrimp or however many. I just thought it was so cute. He's like, these are really hard to peel. And then as soon as he got a good one, he's like, I did it. Eat it. He didn't even eat it himself. Oh, so cute.
So
and Chinkyun's so used to them feeding him. He's like, yeah, awesome, thanks. I won't peel any. You're on that, right? Cool. It's hot. They're so cute together.
They are. Oh, they are so adorable. Like, stop. I mean, don't stop, but
don't stop. Never stop.
Mm-hmm.
But also,
I know. They're so adorable. Both teams are so cute. Like, I cannot with both of them.
Right? 2 very different vibes, but both hilariously adorable. I'm so excited. I hope the next one they're probably going to meet up, right?
Yeah.
I hope they meet up at like, it sounds like it's some sort of like overlook, like maybe with a fantastic view. I hope they can drink there. I hope Juhan like busts out all the beer there. That would be so cute.
That would be amazing.
Like watching a sunset together.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Watch, it's none of that. And we'll love it anyway and make these same noises.
I know. It's true. Whatever they do, we'd be like, oh my gosh, so awesome. Yeah.
I think that's the noise I made when Minhyuk put on that crop top. And then it got a little higher when I found out it was actually for Hyungwon.
I know, right?
Oh my.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
So they've been trying since, when's this from? 2019, 2020, 2018 to get him in a crop top. It's been a long process, but it was worth it. Thank you for your service, Minhyuk.
Yes. Thank you, Minhyuk. It was worth the wait. Thank you very much. Mm-hmm.
So cute.
I mean, it's not like we like crop tops or anything.
No, we rarely talk about them.
Never. I mean, I own crop tops to you guys, okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sweatshirt crop tops, actually.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Specific is terrific.
You're just like Minhyuk. You like a sweatshirt crop top. Okay, we're getting off topic here.
I'm totally Minhyuk vibes this episode. And Green, smelling like the beer I would feed you. That's something I would do.
Right. Getting a discount but not telling me, that's something you would do. Full Minhyuk vibes. Now I just want to see you in one of those fisherman masks.
Oh, yeah, let's do it. All right. I'll walk around with sandals and a fisherman's vest. I'll rock it.
I
It's
know
all
you
good.
will.
I would.
Next Monsta X concert.
Yeah, sounds good.
Can you imagine? That's a deep cut. He's like, what is she wearing? And you're like, I'm you. I'm you at Jeju.
I'm you at Jeju.
He'd probably be like, no. I guarantee you, Juhan, though, would be like, oh, I like those vests. He already has one. Oh, gosh.
It's like, hold up, let me bust mine out, you know, like after the show.
This is why we love them so much, because we totally relate to them. Like in each of them, we see a little bit of ourselves, some days more than others. But I've never not once seen one of them do something for more than 10 minutes where I wasn't like, oh, I do that. Oh, that's me. And it's all of them.
Yeah, they're all
It's
relatable.
So cute. Yeah. I love them because they're just so themselves all the time. There's no pretense.
Nope.
They're not trying to look cool, guys.
Yeah, because they're already cool.
They're already cool. Yeah. They don't need it. They're so cool. They don't even care about looking cool.
Yeah. How can you look so good in a fisherman's vest and walk around in public like that? I'm sorry. What? I'm sure when we go to Jeju Island and I reenact Minhyuk like that, everyone would be looking at me all funny and they'd be like, what is wrong with this girl?
I'll be loving it. Yeah. And that just made me think, when they meet up, the guys are going to see their outfits and be like, what is happening?
Yeah.
And hopefully one of them will be like, you didn't even change out of your gym clothes, Wonho. Don't get to say anything about my fashion today.
Not today.
Not today. Casual vacation mode. Except for Juhan. In his fancy patent leather shoes.
Oh my god!
I noticed he took that scarf bow off right away.
No kitty scarf?
He was like, not happening. I guarantee you Hyungwon put it away. Like, tucked it into his bag of goodies.
Yeah. Maybe he tucked it away for fantasy. I
hope so. I hope so.
He did have a kitty scarf in the music video, but not the exact
He's a
same
scarf
one.
guy.
Yes.
Hello, he even designed one. He's a scarf guy.
I know. Yeah, he totally is. Please.
Okay.
We totally got way off topic. This became a whole conversation.
Anytime we bring up Monsta X, we just talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. We just love him so much.
We do.
It's ridiculous.
We do.
Guys, we love you. You're the best.
All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching with us and hearing us.
Especially if you made it all the way here.
I know, seriously. Yeah, leave a comment below if you made it all the way down here.
Made it to the end. Yes, you get 5 gold stars.
Yeah, 5 gold stars and pat in the back when I see you. So I swear we're not drunk. We're sober, but
drunk on Monsta X.
I know, right? Okay, that's a different story then. Yes. But anyways, if you guys like this episode, which we hope you do, in our discussion that probably lasted 30 minutes, please.
16-minute show. It's fine.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Whoa, subscribe. And we will see you next time because we are
LaChiMoLaLa.
Just kidding. We will see you next time.
We will.
Yes. Please come back.
Annyeong.
Annyeong.